What's up, my interwebby type people? I am sitting in my driveway. It is 10:30. You probably can't even read it, but I'm sitting in my truck in the driveway at 10:30 at night on day 10 of this ACL journey. I couldn't get a ride, so I went to urgent care on my own. I had PT today, and I had the post-op to take out my stitches and everything and check it out. And I had mentioned a little bit of pain in the back of my calf area, which started about 2 days ago. I thought it was a muscle strain. They thought it was probably a muscle strain, but recommended I go to urgent care and get an ultrasound done to make sure it wasn't a blood clot. So I got in my truck at 6 o'clock and drove my ass to urgent care, where I have been for the last 4.5 hours, getting an ultrasound done, making sure that there is no clot. There is in fact no clot, so I celebrated with the first fast food burgers that I've had in about 6 months. It's been that kind of day. I'm in a weird kind of mood, but I'm glad it's over. My step counter is up at like 3,200 steps, which for day 10 of an ACL surgery is pretty stupid, but it all had to be done. So anyways, I'll add to this video in the morning. Love you all. Deuces. Like I said in that little snippet beforehand, I was going to add to some in the morning. I didn't. It's been 3 days since then, so this is now day 13. I'm in a lot less pain, a lot more jovial, I should say. I'm actually feeling a hell of a lot better. I can get around without the crutches now, which is really nice because then I can carry things up and down the stairs behind me. So that's really cool. What else? At PT, which I'll cut to, they're having me do the bike for about 10 minutes. It takes about that long for me to even get warmed up. But then after that, they want me to do zero resistance and try to get my RPM up to 60, which I'm at RPM about 35 when I push myself right now, but it is day 13. So I'll keep progressing in that. Also, they had me doing 40-pound leg press, which I could do 400-pound 14 days ago. So it's weird, especially for my right leg, because I have to remember to not like favor it at all. I want to use them both symmetrically, that way I don't mess things up. So that's been difficult, but I'm on the bike, I'm doing leg press. She's got me doing the half ball with the platform. If you've gone to like yoga classes, or if you've joined a gym, you kind of know what I'm talking about. Flip that over, put it on the flat side so you have the half dome on top, and I'm supposed to stand on that for, she said, as long as I can. I've been doing 3 sets of about 20 seconds. That seems to fatigue me enough to where I can't do my quad sets. Basically, I go until my quad is too tired to flex again. And then I'll go home, I'll ice it, I'll heat it, and then I'll use I have one of those back massagers, but I kind of just, I'll put that underneath my leg, or I'll put it near my kneecap where I think scar tissue might potentially be starting. Not really sure. Don't know what I'm doing. Everything is basically guess and check, but I'm about a week and a half ahead of average, I guess, for the place that I'm going. So I'm doing something right. But anyways, hope you're all having a lovely day. I'm trying to. It's rainy as hell outside, but I don't care. Love you all. Deuces.